Confluence is a powerful tool for project management, enabling teams to collaborate, organize, and track project progress efficiently. Here's how to use Confluence for project management. Create project spaces. Start by creating a dedicated space for your project. This space will serve as a centralized location for all project-related documents and discussions. Go to the Spaces section and select Create Space, choosing a template that fits your project needs. Organize content with pages. Within your project space, create pages for different aspects of the project such as project plans, meeting notes, and status updates. Use Confluence's page hierarchy to organize these pages logically. Track progress. Use task lists and status macros to track project milestones and tasks. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates. Utilize the task report macro to view all tasks assigned to you or others. Collaborate with team. Leverage Confluence's collaborative features by inviting team members to comment on pages, share feedback, and edit documents collectively. Use mentions to notify team members about specific sections or updates. Integrate with other tools. Connect Confluence with Jira to link project tasks and track issues. You can embed Jira issues directly into Confluence pages for seamless project tracking. Use templates. Employ Confluence templates for consistent documentation, such as project plans, retrospectives, and meeting agendas.